Hi everyone, I'm back, and this time nandito ako sa Hong Kong, and as I was roaming around kanina, napakadaming milk tea shop dito sa Hong Kong, and you know that it's my favorite, but my church me suggested that why not make my own milk tea, and sinamahan niya ako kanina to go shopping, and we look for ingredients to make my own milk tea. So today, what we are going to do is that we will make our homemade milk tea. So come and join me as I cook or as I do milk tea. Okay? Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm with Ate Roda here in Hong Kong, and we are looking for shopping center.
One eternity later.
So kanina nga, nag-shopping ako ng ingredients for this homemade milk tea. At meron tayong 3 ingredients. So yung una, nakita ko to sa shop, which is Lipton. Ito yung classic Lipton, wala siyang flavor. So it's a yellow label tea. And ito, 100 pieces, 100 tea bags. I bought it for 20 Hong Kong dollars, which is around 20 times 6.6, so around 130-ish pesos. So sobrang, for me, mura na siya. So parang you're just buying 1 tea bag for 1 pesos. And then, my churchmate suggested this. Ito yung milk, ewan ko, black and white evap. So full cream evaporated milk. So this is for 10 Hong Kong dollars, which is 67 pesos. May mas murang version nito, 6 Hong Kong dollars. Pero ito yung kinuha ko dahil mukhang special. And then unfortunately, nalibot na namin yung buong Wan Chai Market, pero hindi kami makapaghanap ng black pearls. So, kaya yung last stop namin kanina ay isang Indian shop. At ang nakahanap namin ay sago. So, yung white sago. Hindi ko alam yung magiging effect nito. Kasi alam mo naman, nasanay tayo sa black pearls. So, sago siya. White sago. So, I bought this for 18 Hong Kong dollars. So, that is less than 100 pesos, I think. So, ito lang tatlong ingredients. So, para sa mga mahilig sa matatamis, you can put sugar or maybe honey. But, since ang mga milk tea, alam nating yung mga binibili natin sa commercial, masyadong matamis and not so healthy for our body. This time, I just want to put this tea and then milk and then sago. So I am in the kitchen now, and we will figure out kung paano natin gagawin, lulutuin tong sago and yung ating tea. So as you can see, hindi ko alam gamitin to kasi wala namang ganito sa bahay namin. So kailangan ko pa ng tulong ng friend para tulungan ako kung paano i-operate to. The next thing is lalagyan natin itong sago sa water, tapos iboboil natin siya hanggang maging malambot. Again, wala tayong nahanapang black pearls, so magsisettle down muna tayo sa white sago. This is how we operate this one. Induction. Yan, o diba? And then, on natin siya. 7 daw pinakamataas. Baan natin 2, 4. And for our tea, gagamitin natin itong Lipton. Lipton Yellow Tea, Yellow Label Tea, yung classic lang. So pag naamoy mo siya, actually amoy ano na siya, amoy milk tea. So hindi ko alam kung ilang piraso yung gagamitin natin, but for this video, maybe gagamit ako ng 3. Let's boil this tea bags. So ito siya. The Tears of Sunshine. What's a good shot? May mga discover world of possibilities. A sip of sunshine. Magibang cute. For this, I will just boil it here. Malinis naman na to. I'll be putting 4 bags. Sabi ko kanina 3 pero marami siya. So, lagay tayo ng 4. Close. Then, pour natin siya. So now, all we have to do is to wait and then mix up natin siya mamaya. Woohoo! Yan na siya, kulay na kulay, milk tea na, color black. So gagawin ko ngayon is hayaan ko lang siyang mag-cool down, tapos isasalin ko siya mamaya sa pichel. Now, we have our sago. Yan ang lalagay natin sa ating milk tea. So katatapos lang lumamig nung pinainit nating tea kanina. So this time, ilalagay na natin itong ating milk. Ito ay isang full cream evaporated milk. Ihalo natin siya sa ating tea. Open this one first. Masyado siyang madami. So kailangan ko siyang bawasan. Ng ating milk. Again, this is black and white milk. Diba? It's just putting tea and milk together. Parang milk tea. Parang ako lagay ko. Shake na. Dito na rin yung mga sago. Shake. Titikman na natin siya in a while. So this time, ang gagawin ko ay titikman na natin yung aking ginawang milk tea. So meron akong dalawang sample dito. Samples. Yung una ay walang sugar. And then later on, tingnan natin yung may sugar kung anong lasa. So dito muna tayo sa walang sugar. So this is homemade milk tea. Ang sarap. Alam, wala pang sugar to ah. Alam mo yung lasa talaga siya ng tea and yung kumakagat yung milk. So, ito talaga yung milk tea. I think yung mga milk tea natin sa commercial, yung mga commercialized milk tea, feeling ko ang daming sugar nun kaya ganun yung lasa. Pero itong wala pang sugar, lasang milk tea talaga siya, pero matabang. So, tingnan naman natin kung lalagyan natin siya ng sugar. So, I've got here sugar. So, tingnan natin kung mas magiging lasang milk tea talaga siya, katulad ng mga binibenta sa palengke. So, I've got sugar cubes. So, ihalo natin dito sa ating ginawang milk tea. And, tingnan natin yung magbabago kung magiging katulad na siya nung mga binibili natin sa store. Let's see. Hindi pa siya natunaw yung sugar. And ang maganda dito ay mami-measure mo kung gaano katamis yung gusto mo. Kasi ang na-observe ko sa mga binibili nating milk tea, minsan kahit sabihin mo 50%, ang tamis-tamis pa rin kahit na 25%. Alam ba nila yung difference ng mga sugar level? Or, ewan ko, palabas lang nila yon. So ito, linagyan ko to ng sugar. Tignan ko kung anong lasa. Ito, walang halong pagsisinungaling. Hindi dahil sa ako yung gumawa ng milk tea na to. Pero honestly, ang sarap. And mas kontrolado mo yung lasa. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. At alam mong healthy yung iniinom mo. So, alam niyo, like, we are spending a lot of money. We are spending at least 80 pesos. Sige, sabihin mo 70 pesos. Or 60 pesos to 150 pesos per 500 ml of milk tea. Pero kung ikaw gumawa mismo, makakasigurado ka pang fresh yung ginamit mo and walang masyadong sugar and kontrolado mo yung papasok na mga bagay yung papasok sa katawan ninyo and makakainom ka ng kahit ilang litro ng milk tea. So, I spend around magkano nga binagastos ko for this for this milk tea. I spent $40 Hong Kong dollars, so that's around 714. So around 250 to 280 pesos para sa 3 litro ng milk tea. So 3 litro na siya. Hindi na siya 3 litro kasi marami pang natirang tea and natirang sago na pwede pang gamitin in the future. So bibili na lang ulit ng milk. So sobrang economically makakatipid kayo and at the same time it's more healthy. Yung sago pwede na pero iba pa rin yung black pearls. Sana next time makahanap na ako ng black pearls. Sagwa. So that ends my review of my own milk tea. Maybe I should start building my own store of milk tea and I will name it King of Kings Milk Tea because it is for the Lord. So thank you for watching my vlog and please try your own milk tea. I highly suggest it. Thank you so much and God bless you.